Hey beautiful souls, today I'm diving deep into the teachings of Abraham Hicks to help you manifest your desires instantly. You've probably heard about the law of attraction, right? Well, it's time to take it up a notch. According to Abraham Hicks, the key to manifestation is not just thinking about what you want, it's about aligning your energy with it. Sounds mystical? It's actually simpler than you think. First, feel the emotions of having what you desire. Imagine it's already yours. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude. This emotional alignment is what the universe responds to. Next, let go of the how and when. Trust the process. The universe has its own divine timing, but you can speed it up by staying positive and aligned. Remember, doubt and fear create resistance. Abraham Hicks also emphasizes the importance of staying present. Don't dwell on past failures or future anxieties. Focus on the now. Your power is in the present moment. And here's a powerful tip. Practice appreciation daily. Appreciate what you already have and watch how more flows into your life. Gratitude shifts your vibration to a higher frequency, making you a magnet for your desires. So, beautiful souls, start today. Align, trust, and appreciate. Your desires are waiting for you. Manifest them now. Stay blessed and keep attracting abundance. If you found this video enlightening, like, share, and subscribe for more high vibe content. Until next time, keep shining.